How to fix Frosthaven crashing on Steam. So you want to open up the library first, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you want to go to the installed files tab, click on verify integrity of game files, and wait for this process to finish. It might take a while. Now click on the browse button and find the game exe file. Right click on it and open up the properties. Go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close out of this and close Steam. And then you will need to open up your GPU application to get the latest updates. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then make sure to select Game Ready driver and check for updates and download and install the latest Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you should simply restart your computer even if it doesn't ask you to restart. And then before opening Steam again, you should launch it as administrator by right-clicking on it and click on Run as admin. Now, once you do that, you should simply launch the game again, and that should solve the crashing issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.